Hello and welcome to the Codeigniter series. This course is going to go over a ton of different things. It's going to go over what Codeigniter is, what MVC stands for, and most of what you would need to create a lot of different types of sites. We're going to be building a blog and be building on top of that. So we're going to be uploading images, we're going to be resizing them, we're going to have a mailing list, we're going to add emoticons, we're going to add a shopping cart. We're going to do quite a bit of things. What you're going to want to make sure you know is you're going to want to have a solid foundation of PHP. If you're not an expert, that's fine, but you want to make sure that you have used PHP on a few projects, and you want to make sure that you've also done some stuff with MySQL. If you're not very familiar with PHP, you want to go to tutsplus.com. And Jeffrey Way is going through a PHP Fundamentals series at the time that I'm recording this. So it's not completed when I've been looking at this, but by the time you've seen this, it will probably be finished. If you have a basic understanding of PHP, you may want to go through this series as well. So if while you're going through these Codeigniter videos, if things don't seem familiar to you, where I point out you should be familiar with it, then you might want to go ahead and look through this series. That's all you need to jump into Codeigniter. You'll find that Codeigniter is very simple and it's much easier than some of the advanced PHP stuff. If you're familiar with some object-oriented stuff in PHP, that's going to help you quite a bit. The next video, we're going to explain what MVC is and the benefits of using it.